Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what's going on? I've got a very special episode for you today. They're always special, but this one's extra special. This is a dish that I've been studying for a very, very long time. I'm going to be making today a proper Chinese takeaway style chow mein. It's actually a very simple dish when it comes down to it, but you've got to get it right. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please do try it for yourselves at home. And once you do, you'll never order it again. Trust me, this is it. Folks, I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like and a comment. It would really help me out. Let's get cooking. Alrighty, let the magic commence. So we've got our plate here. Everything's in order of crunch and the way we want it. Okay, so generally I leave the green peppers till last because I want to have that nice crunch of them. So you're going to start off with the onions, and you're going to let these char for a bit, and this is going to release a magic flavour, and you'll notice it at the end. And just give them a stir once they've browned a little bit on the side. Then we're going to add our carrots, bring them down to an al dente stage, lose the main crunch of them, and then we're going to add the MSG. This is non-negotiable. You want to brown it, and then you're going to add your mushrooms. Now this is going to enhance all the flavors, and it's fine. Don't make a big deal out of it. It's okay. Then we're going to add our mange tout, which is optional. I've just had that a lot in Chinese takeaways in the past. And finally the green peppers. Now I like to leave them till the end because I prefer the freshness of the crunch. Now the important thing at this stage to add your garlic, not at the beginning. All right. Next we're going to add our light soy sauce and our noodles. Let the noodles sit in there for a bit. This has been sped up, but let them sit because you want to char the noodles a little bit as well. So they get a kind of like, not really a burn, but something nice, you'll see. Next, we're going to add our dark soy sauce. That's going to give it the color that you want. After that, you're going to add your Beansprouts. And finally, the spring onions. Give that a nice stir and you're ready to go. It's that simple. And there you have it, folks. A genuine, authentic Chinese takeaway style chow mein. So as you can see, I made a separate version as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this out for yourselves. Again, the MSG is not optional in this. If you want it to come out like in the restaurant, you've got to use the MSG. So folks, time for the taste test. I've made this a million times, and like I said, I've studied this as a subject. Generally learned how to make it the proper way, so I know it's going to be nice. See, the trick is to get that charred flavour, and that's from the onions, that's from the MSG, and it's from adding the garlic at the end. Do not add the garlic in the beginning. That is exactly how it's supposed to taste. Identical. Look at you. This is amazing. Let me tell you, since I learned how to make this, I've never ordered a chow mein ever since. So hopefully you'll do the same. Folks, if you're trying to make it at home and you're not getting it right, it's literally the MSG. That's the only reason you're not able to get it accurate. It's amazing. Folks, I forgot to tell you, there's a tip, right? So if you can't find eggless noodles, what you're going to use is linguine. Go to your supermarket in the Italian section. Just don't tell your Italian friends because they'll kill you for it. But use linguine and boil it to the point where it's beyond the standard al dente that you'd usually have it at. And then you'll get a very, very similar texture to egg noodles, basically. Now, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget, give it a like and a subscribe if you haven't done so already. I love you all. Ciao for now, and have a good week.